Hi, I am Dr. Abhay Talati, practicing skincare specialist and cosmetologist at Skin Space Clinic, Goregaon, Mumbai. Today I am going to enlighten you all on some anti-aging treatments. Looking young and attractive is always desired. Recent advances in medical technology have helped us with many procedures which can help you all to knock off years from your face. Anti-aging treatments can be categorized into two categories. Category 1, in which we work on the surface of the skin so as to improve the dull, tired appearance of the skin, improve the tone and the texture of the skin. And category 2, in which we are using certain procedures and injections to reduce the wrinkles from your face, improve the structure of your face, and reduce the age-related folds on the skin. Let us see these categories one by one. So when we want to improve the surface of the skin, we can utilize chemical peels, microdermabrasions, or we can use some laser devices. And when we want to improve the age-related folds and the structure of the face, we can use botulinum protein injections, dermal fillers, and radiofrequency devices. Chemical peeling is very simple, safe, and very effective procedure performed in medical clinics. Fruit acids are used by medical practitioners to bring out the better looking skin, reduce the dullness, improve the fine lines, and also to reduce the pigmentation. Usually a procedure takes 15 to 20 minutes and 4 to 6 sessions are required, probably within 2 to 3 months of the treatment span. With every treatment you will get results, but if you complete the sessions, results are more rewarding. Microdermabrasion is a machine-based exfoliation treatment in which dull and dead skin is exfoliated with the help of aluminum oxide crystals. So with the help of these crystals, the skin is sanded against the vacuum through the machine. It results in smoothing of the skin and also resurfacing. This procedure can be performed on all skin types for instant glow. Let's talk about lasers now. Lasers are energy-based systems which are used to stimulate collagen, which will result in reduction in the fine lines and also in tightening of your skin. Usually 4 to 6 sessions of lasers are required, which are employed with a gap of 2 to 3 weeks in between the two sessions. Laser procedures are completely painless. A treatment would last for about 15 to 20 minutes. Usually 4 to 6 sessions of laser treatments are required with a gap of 2 to 3 weeks between the treatment so as to produce long-lasting results. Coming to the treatments which are going to improve the wrinkles and the folds of aging, botulinum protein injections. This is probably the most famous anti-aging treatment in the world. These are simple injections which are strategically placed into the muscles of the face so as to relax them temporarily, resulting in reduction in the wrinkles. Particularly the wrinkles on the forehead, in the glabellar area, around the eyes are effectively treated. It's a simple lunchtime procedure which can be performed in 15-20 minutes. Result will be seen within 2 to 14 days. Yet another fascinating treatment in anti-aging segment is use of dermal fillers. Dermal fillers are ready syringes containing hyaluronic gel, which is a natural sugar molecule present in everyone's body and skin, but is reduced because of the aging process. These syringes are injected into the various areas of the face so as to reduce the age-related folds around the nose, around the mouth, to volumize certain areas like cheeks, reshape the chin and the nose as well. The best part of dermal fillers is they produce instantaneous results immediately after injecting and are very comfortable in most of the individuals. Some of the clients usually are not willing to take injections, and for them we can utilize radiofrequency tightening devices to reduce the folds and also to tighten the skin. The radiofrequency device utilized at Skin Space is called Endimade. It is a US FDA approved technology for skin tightening. The procedure just feels like a warm massage over the face and the neck area and does not cause any pain. Usually a session takes about 30 to 45 minutes and 4 to 6 sessions are performed at varying intervals based on your skin quality and the aging process affecting your face. With ease of availability of all these procedures, it is possible for everyone to look young and attractive. If you want to know more about anti-aging procedures, you can contact me through librate.com or visit me personally at Skin Space Clinic. Thank you.